To assemble an adapter, there are 2 screws that lock down the adapter flat to the tool flat and 2 pinholes. Depending on the length of the tool that you are using, you can put the pin into either one of these 2 holes. When inserting the tool will have a flat. Orient that flat to the same direction as the flat on the adapter and slide it in. If you feel that you're hitting one of these screws, back it out. You want the tool to go past the screws in the adapter. Slide it back until it hits whichever pin location you've chosen. Take the first screw down until you feel it just slightly start to touch the flat on the tool, which will then start to orient it. Take the second screw, run it down until you feel contact, then lock it in, and then move back to the front screw, lock that in, and now you've assembled the tool so that the flat on the adapter is matching the flat on the tool, and the center line of the cut for the tool is on the center line of the adapter.